Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, also harbachelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So we have another Kenwood Tl922A in. I have two others here that need to be fixed also. They are still in the box they came in. So I'm going to go over what this needs, or at least what I see it needs right off the bat. So someone did the 10 meter mod and removed the coil at some point. Needs filter caps. Some of them are bulging, at least the ones I can see. A little pressure spot where the little circle is, so it's like a relief. So I will replace those with the Harbach kit with the screw-in type caps. I bought a set. I no longer have those available because the minimum order went up to 20 grand. So the board's being redesigned so it will accept the snap-in type. Everything else looks good. I checked the plate current meter and it's good. The air variable caps, capacitors are clean. Looks like it arced right here at one point, but the edges are fantastic. So that one's good. The load side is nice and clean also. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over and I'll show you the bottom. Be right back. Okay, so here's the bottom. Stock. No one did the BIOS mod. Band switch is toast. You can see the contact over there is gone. Put that on both sides. Even if one side was still okay, it still needs to be changed. As you can see, it's toast. Okay, so I'm gonna get to work, and I will see you guys in a bit. One second here. So you can see it's bright and early here. 5:17. I get up at 4:30 a.m. Okay, so stay tuned. I will see you guys soon. The old switch out, the new multi-tech switch over here. I configured it with the wires, the jumpers. Let's see. So back to work. See you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. So voila, the new band switch has been installed. Soldered nice. All the clearances have been double checked. So they put this stuff on the contacts. I always spray some deoxit gold because I've seen where dust will stick to it, and you don't want that, and then it'll inhibit the connection. So that just stops it from oxidizing, from tarnishing over time. With silver, that's what happens. But just so people know, tarnish doesn't inhibit an electrical connection. Some say it actually enhances it. Okay, so I'm going to get back to work. I'll see you guys soon. Next are the filter caps. Then after the filter caps, I'll do all the mods and stuff. Okay, so back to work. See you soon. Removed. You can see a couple of them. See it's bursting. Oh, like that. Hey, back to work. I gotta put the other board together, and back to work. See you soon. We're back with the completed Kenwood Tl922. Customer wanted a video of it working on 10 meters. So, fan has a slight bit of noise, like bearing. I'll ask if he wants it changed. Just the slightest bit. So, other than that, everything's working perfecto. So, again, it's on 10 meters. 28555. Radio set to run. This meter isn't really accurate. It's around 80 or so, maybe a little more. 2500 watt slug. It's on the lower voltage setting. Audio hello. Audio hello. 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 What's that, about 750? higher voltage setting. Audio, hello, hello, audio, hello, 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 about 1200 right there. Hello, hello, hello. Audio, hello, hello, hello. RF. Hello. Good current. Audio, tit, 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 tit. Audio, hello, 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 hello. Works as it should. Tit, 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 tit. Okay, so I'll let it cool off. And I'll take the covers off and show you everything I did. So, stay tuned. See you soon. The inside, got my mismatched test tubes in there. Okay, so added the strap over here. Resoldered the connection on the top of the coil and the bottom of the coil. It was like just going back and forth on the stud. It's supposed to be soldered all so it's all uniform, one piece, moving in unison, so that's corrected. Got the pretty Harbach filter cap board in there, the series glitch resistor, meter protection diode, everything's nice. I'm going to turn it over and I'll show you the bottom. See you soon. Okay, so here's the bottom. Put my pointer down. It's on there somewhere. I'll just use a different one. I don't think this will work. Okay, so you got the new band switch. Nice. Grids are grounded. Did the self-bias modification. Added the strap to correct the path between the plate tune cap and the tube grids because it goes through the metal and through this. Not good. So you want a nice connection between the two. Change the electrolytic cap over here. And check the SO239s, they're good. Clean the input rotary switch with deoxygold. Clean the band switch with deoxygold. Clean the TR relay with deoxygold. The relay back there with deoxygold. And the switch, the multimeter switch and standby operate switch with deoxygold. So this thing is good to go. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. Websites are amprepairguy.com and also harbach-electronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. 73.